The trial of the 4 police officers accused of fatally shooting Mthokozisi Ntumba during the Fees Must Fall protest in March last year will resume in the High Court in Johannesburg today. The officers are facing 4 charges, including one of murder. 35-year-old Ntumba was killed allegedly by the police, who opened fire on a group of students outside a TVET college in Braamfontein, Johannesburg. The police officer who attended to the crime scene, Colonel Jacob Beeslaar, was under cross-examination. My colleague, let's listen in rather.
They were picked up by a bus at that point as well. So the college people, as they came out, they were waiting for the bus at that point.
What is video footage here into Ivory now student Kuma 1, Kuma 2, waze wathola incazelo yokuthi cha ithuda njengoba siphuma kanje kukhona ibhasi ebekade bezolila kade kuphambi kokuthi kuzofika inyala le orente ayitseba kor ula abona ubone mo video footage kor alright kiyo kupitile nje student le yatswa mo building so one so babili so byalo tseba latelana bebe batlane bontle mo students and everybody was hallucinating for the bar, even when the more the by guys.
So maybe my question was not clear enough. I didn't know what I asked you. What I asked you was, did not say, there's no footage that you saw of what happened before what you have just described. There's no footage.
At Johannesburg Street?
That shows before of the scenes that you observed. There's no footage, you don't know what happened before what you saw.
Okay, Your Honor, I haven't seen any video footage from Johannesburg Street.
Ngaphandle kwaloko akubona kule footage le akhonjiswe yona odacha nale yaseJohannesburg Street azanga yabona habotsoka di video footage ora kahle le video footage obontshitswe yona o ka setsebo re pela yaye obontshitswe yona gona le ntwe ile yetsagala pela mo orela akase ake ayibona le ya koJohannesburg.
And I'm going back to the body. You remember you mentioned that you came the way, people milling around here. Now the question is, how far were these people milling from the body? Or how far were they surrounding the body? Were they standing at a distance?
Your Honor, where I was standing at the corner of Bertha and Stevens Street, the body was around the corner at the street. So my line of view was only for the intersection. I cannot say how close they were to the body. We also didn't want to move closer. We didn't want to cause a confrontation with the students, especially because the situation was volatile.
Obana stupid is sort of it's a couple. But nobody more coming in your paper. Cement. And then to facilitate Cambon, could have a video so well border, Kimale Bana, the student TVET, and the Cambona from Rawan on the store. And Nasa Hobona, Horbona, Banava, Holepo, Carata, to Hamone by anything, they was to put a certain bits of and Livona, Hankeba Rata, Kapavata, Portomena, Mona, Hovane, never saw a tour of Banava, Tommy Batani have. Ito is ukuthi uma emina ngale komgwaqo kume abantwana and ngale kwabantwana kukhona isidumbu esilele phansi and akazi ukuthi ibanga lingakanani kusuka leso sidumbu ukufika kulabantwana kade ebamile abafunanga ukuthi bazobasondela ukuze mhlawumbe bazobahlangisa labantwana noma into efana leyo base bobayeka kanjalo.
Again, can I put it to you that at first has not been mitigated because it does say it now that the situation was volatile, the situation was
Like I said, Your Honor, the whole crowd is not always dangerous or poses a threat. There's usually few individuals who you can say is now the leaders or the instigators that is causing the problems and the violence. So if you identify those individuals and you can arrest them, then the situation most probably will be resolved in a way. But if I say resolved, it is not to resolve the issues, because the students, they have got certain demands, and the threat will only be mitigated once the Department of Education addresses their grievances and they are happy about it.
Into eyenzekayo ukuthi mase kunozabalazo kanjani kukhona abanye bazenza abaholi balelo qembu lelo bese bayaqala bafuna ukwenza izenzo zodlame, and labo bantu labo yibo labo bayingozi. Kuzamele ukuthi ba-identify labo bantu labo bese mhlawumbe bababopha amaphoyisa uma ekhona ukubabopha, bese kuzonciphisa uba khona kodlame ngale ndlela. Kepha ungahle liqhubeke udlame ngokuthi ingane lezi zifuna ukuxazulule le nkinga yabo yokurejista. Uma engakaxazululwa i-department yemfundo then akwaziwa ke manje ukuthi luzophela nini. Taba kokore gabe bana ba to protest or gona le protest, gona le ba mo gare batho ba protestang kapa ba strike ba tla ratang gore go bane le ketsagalo tsa gore go seng ya ba be ba bararo, and ha le ba polisa ba lebella gore ke bo mang bona ba etsang gore ba bang ba senya, and ga ke go tshwara bona se se ka fokotsa ditshenyo tse tswang ke batho bao. Then come mara mo tabeng ya bana ba ba sekolo se se be gagolo gore bana ba ba sekolo ne se ka se go tshwara ga batho ba ne se ka se rarabolle mathata a bane bana le ona bana ba sekolo ka taba tsa bana tsa go sekolo.
Your Honor, that is why even in the National Instruction and the Regulation of Gatherings Act, when the warrant officer gives a warning, it gives time for those innocent bystanders to leave the area, so that you don't deal with innocent bystanders on the scene.
Whether in our Kishumlaizo, Sweden National Office, which warrant officer Ekoda, Ibona, which Kukoda, Oguzwense, Abantu Bompagati, Abangeko, Abantu, Abazabalaza, and Baba Striker, Kumele Basuswe, Kudenda, or their vote, Bazo Trina, Basem Gosi, Nipilos, I was not pleasant anymore. But only all the representatives of the national office, Eva Fulela for Motone warrant officer, Chance at Tocomela for Habe Hunale Batu Fella, Waitamela, Motumotro, and Kiva, what was the Rekabat, Balco Forward, warrant officer, Motor, Akoha, Asute, Moplebeo, Kahon, Akai Tolani Mukuzi.
And I'm just confining myself, or in your answer, confine myself to the brutality at that time on the ground when you were there. What I'm putting to you is that the situation was volatile on the ground when you were there. That is why you could not now go closer to where the police were.
Correct, yeah.
All right. Nakempela akazanga ukwazi ukuthi ngothi vele yayingahle isuke noma kulento ora kamkhono kholo bekati nekasuka nekapane ikamkho azangbona elemapholisa babatla khotomela mo student le dikele tsekote.
Therefore the threat had not been at that time.
That's correct, but you talk about situational appropriateness. In certain circumstances, even if a case is volatile, you can act. other cases, if it's volatile, you cannot act because of situational appropriateness.
Yabona ngaleso sikhathi yebo odlame lona lona ngaqhuma noma ni kepha kuya ngesimo ngasa ngaleso sikhathi uthi ngaleso sikhathi cha isimo sasingekho kangako orikana kuya khona so wayetsa la hore no ikana soka ndinka pari mara kana kuya sema nese kam khore ikana yasuka.
Can in practice, I'm asking you now in terms of distance. In practice, as you just illustrated here on that, from where we are seated into the door of the court, someone can say 12 meters, someone can say 10 meters.
Correct, yeah.
Therefore, in practice, the question of distance is a subjective one. Depends on the.
It is subjective. It is subjective, yeah.
Uthi ngempela vele kuya ngomuntu uthi umuntu yena uyibona kanjani indaba ye-distance njengoba sechasile ukuthi distance abantu bayibona ngohlukana omunye angathi 10 kusuka la kuya lapha omunye athi 12 kuya kamuntu umuntu omunye unale pono ya hayi akatsho umuntu njalo kahlabisitho akaba distance akatsho umuntu akaba 10 or akaba 12.
And I have already put it on record before this honorable court that you do not know who killed the deceased.
I do not know who was the person who killed the deceased.
Yebo, selakushilo lokho nje nakazi ukuthi bani obulele umuntu. Ore sayibule igama yakho yona nahatselo mufubula ile tema.
Because it is number 4 will tell the court that it did not.
Uthi wena number 4 uzosho ukuthi wena cha akwenzanga usasho thakaza. Ra number 4 hatsi ulale. Ake ambona ibona yena hatsi.
No further questions in the previous record.
Any comment to the last question?
Jana, I do not know who was the person who killed the deceased.
Akazi ukuthi kulele bani hatsi konke ile tema.
Thanks, Jana.
Right, live visuals from the murder trial there concerning Mthokozisi Ntumba.